Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this will be a video where I will name the best and powerful birds from my point of view. Next, maybe I will also do a video with the birds I don't like that much or I don't usually choose to compete or play with. So firstly, we have Bomb, which obviously it's a powerful bird due to its big destruction power due to the fact that it's a bomb. This is much effective when used to stone. Secondly will be Melody, due to her absorption power of things and then blasting them on the peaks. Bubbles is also a powerful bird due to its inflating power that collapses big buildings when aimed to them. Then we have Terrance, the big red guy who crushes its opponents when landing on them. Chuck, the yellow one, is also useful when used to wood. I forgot to add Leonard on my list, but Leonard is also a powerful bird, the green guy. Also, blues are also effective birds because they are really good when they split in three and they are aimed to glass. This is Leonard. So this is it guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Please leave a like or maybe subscribe. These would be my favorite powerful birds, especially Bomb, Terrance, Melody and Bubbles. And maybe I will come back with a list with the least preferred or powerful birds from my point of view. Bye guys!